and promoter, ITV Network, to kindly share his life experience with us.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and particularly ladies. It's an honor and pleasure to be here. I had the opportunity to speak to some of you earlier on. I think it's a great platform. WEF is doing a fantastic job in bringing people together for a cause which is very relevant and very important to us. I represent ITV Network. We are one of the fastest growing media companies in the country. We reach out to about 120 million people on a daily basis, and I would love to share some of my experiences with you as in that journey which started almost 10 years ago. You know, I think while we always try and achieve our targets, what we set out when we start a journey, we tend to lose sight of what is it that we're doing and why are we doing it, and where do we want to get with what we had planned. I remember as a student while I was studying, and I was in England for about 9 years. I did my schooling at Oxford, I did my undergrad there, and my master's at King's College. And I could never think or perhaps know that I would actually come and be a part of the media industry. And since it was one of the furthest things to my mind at that point of time, and I did not have clarity in terms of this is how life would evolve and I would move towards it. I think what really changed and motivated me to come into the field of media was to actually bring in equality, the opportunity to bring in a platform for people to be equitable, for people to be able to voice their opinions. And while I was in England, it gave me an opportunity to see how media evolved in India from abstract. And that is something which was truly remarkable because it gave me a perspective on how things were changing in India. India was really changing after the liberalization in 1990s, and the entire industry was changing. The way people communicated, the way people saw information, and the way it sort of evolved in the last 10 years was a very interesting period for India because that's when the markets opened up. And, you know, to my surprise, when I started my media company, frankly, in the first instance, for the first couple of years, it wasn't terribly successful. And I think the main thing that I learned from that entire episode was learn how to learn. And that went a long way for me. And I think that is the single most important experience that I want to share with everyone. I think the ability to learn is something that is with us from the time we start learning till our last breath. And that's what makes us truly different and truly helps us change and evolve as a human being, as a person, as an entity, as an idea, as a thought process. And I think if we can realize the power of learning from our immediate surroundings, from people, our peers, from people we work with, from the people we work under, for people whose stewardship we work under, I think that is the greatest ability that sets us apart from our, from the things that we don't do in a normal life. I think that failure and the ability to learn really motivated me to excel and do better in my field of work. And fortunately, I'm glad to say we are now one of the top 5 media companies in the country. We've come a long way from that learning process, that learning curve. And I think we've really been able to come out of the toughest and the most difficult industries in the news and media space. And I'm very glad to share this experience with you. And I would really urge all of you not to stop learning. And I think that is something which always stays with us. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Karthikeya.